Welcome to Eye Candy. In this week's video, I'm going to be working on a 2015 GMC Sierra. So let's take a look at it and see what's going on with it. The damage is very minor. First off, you see a little dent there, and the bumper is not staying in. And then there's some scuffs here, very minor so far. And then it's hard to tell, but this bumper is either sticking out or the fender and bumper up here, this top cap, are in. So that's what we gotta determine, whether or not the bumper is out or this is all in. So that's what I'm going to tear down and look for buckles in the fender, see if there's anything that indicates that. I've already kind of eyeballed down it, looking this way. And to me, it looks as though this bumper is slightly out. So it makes sense to me given the story on how this happened, but let's find out together. Now that the fender liner and the molding are off, we can see a little bit more. That bracket right there looks like it's slightly bent down, and there's broke paint, and the fender's buckled in this area right here. And you can clearly see that the bumper is sitting at an angle, and it's being pulled in that direction. I still think this bumper is slightly out, but not as far as it looks. Once we get this repaired, we'll be able to see. All right, everybody, it's the next day now. I got everything primed yesterday, and so now we're ready to prep that primer, mask the vehicle, and get it painted.